can make a movie today, man. Not today, but get some shots of us, you know what I mean? Another job well done. Isn't that right, bro?
Pretty much.
We got the tree trimming business going on right now.
If you ain't done right, I ain't doing it.
Put it.
Tell me.